Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Anza concrete espresso machine, and we installed a new valve that allows us, expansion valve that allows us to have consistent pressure at 9 bar. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. There it is. Just above 9 bar. And settling basically at 9 bar. And just a really nice shot of espresso. Good crema. Beautiful machine. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.